Hello everyone, today we continue our class. Today we talk about the Chinese character with the sound I. Okay, so in the first tone, the first character I. I is I. Third tone I, two character. In the first tone I in the five character. Okay. Start from the I. This is I. Okay. This is I. So this character has two parts. First part means herbs, second part means harvesting. So he means mooring trucks. Okay. Original meaning mooring trucks, second meaning end, stop. Third meaning correctional hit. Okay. First meaning noun as terrorist herbal medicine. Okay. It is another I. Another I. I means narrow. This character are two parts. First part means mountain. Second part means long-tailed beast. Okay, so he means the beast working the narrow between the valley. Okay. Its first meaning, original meaning, works through the valley. Okay. To second meaning means narrow. Okay. I. It's another I. So this character means barriers. Okay. This character are two parts. First part means cliffs. Second part means okay. Don't know which way to go. Okay. So he means the rock barrier. Okay, on the way. So I don't know which way to go. So original meaning rock barrier or barrier, cliff, path. Second meaning blocked, restricted. Third meaning barrier, constraint. Okay. So another I. I means love. This is another I. I means love. Let's go two parts. First part means old. Okay. A person open mouth indicate breath. Okay. Murder talk. Second part means heart, compassion, affection. Expressed affection talk. Okay. He means heart, power, and motor talk, tenderness. Okay. Original meaning to power, care, talk, tenderness. Okay. Second meaning people, passion. Third meaning verb, love, habit. This is I. Okay, I. This is I. So I means has two parts. First part means mouth, sigh. Second part means okay. So he means the sigh of the regret has occurred. Okay. Second meaning like a hey. Okay. No top here. Top here. This is I. I means short. Okay. Dwarf. Okay. The first part, this character two parts. First part means body. Second part means commission, bow down. Okay. So he means short, steady, not upright. Okay. So he means low height, short. Low height, short. Second meaning not high, small height. Okay. There's another I. I. This word means Margaret. Okay. This character are two parts. First part means cloud, fog. Second part means love, affection. Okay, means endearing, soft, mist. Okay. This is I. Okay. I. So this grammar two parts. First part means soil, dust. Second part means hold, close to. So he means covered, close to the surface of dust. Okay, means dust. This is I. Okay, I means sorrow, sad. I. Okay, I means sorrow. This grammar two parts. First part means clothing, mourning. Second part means mouth, crying. So he means mourning, complain. Okay. Close. Complain. It means wear the clothes, wear the mourning clothes and cry. Okay. Second meaning mourn. Third meaning adjective sad. Fourth meaning verb mercy, compassion. Fifth meaning verb painfully, sadly. This is another I. I means endure. Okay. It's quite a two part. First part means hand, second part means main, injury. So he means palm shall hit someone else's back. Second meaning verb squeeze hit, collision, people stick people. Third meaning verb suffer. Okay. This is another I. Okay. Okay. They have the same meaning but different tone. Okay. Same song. Okay. Thank you for watching.